Step into the dynamic world at the School of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math at St. Louis Community College, where your curiosity becomes the key to innovation and real-world impact. Whether you're dreaming of inventing the next big thing or tackling real-world challenges, our STEM programs empower you to learn, grow, and reach your goals. From biotechnology to horticulture, our hands-on labs and expert instructors will guide you through exciting career-ready experiences. The world needs IT and IS experts more than ever. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, dive into high-tech fields like cybersecurity, software and web development, network security engineering, and more. Earn an associate degree and seamlessly transfer to a four-year university. Focus your studies in biology, math, engineering, or other STEM fields, and take your education to the next level. Are you not sure what you want to do? That's okay. Take a career assessment and learn more about job activities, skills, and education, and salary information. Students choose St. Louis Community College for high quality and affordable education, diverse programs, and strong support services that help students succeed and thrive academically and personally. Your STEM journey starts here. Let's build your future together, right here at St. Louis Community College.